seeing a lion in a dream. What does it mean? Welcome to Raaz Khawab, Dream Meaning in English, your trusted source for unraveling the mysteries of your dreams. Today, we delve into a powerful and majestic symbol, the lion. Have you ever dreamt of a lion and wondered what it signifies? In this video, we'll explore various interpretations of lion dreams, drawing from psychological insights, spiritual symbolism, and cultural perspectives. General symbolism of lions in dreams. Lions are often associated with strength, courage, and authority. In dreams, they can represent personal power, leadership qualities, or challenges we face in our waking life. The context of the lion in your dream, its behavior, your interaction with it, and your emotions, plays a crucial role in interpretation. From a psychological standpoint, dreaming of a lion may symbolize your inner strength or a part of your personality that is assertive and dominant. Alternatively, it could reflect suppressed emotions or aspects of yourself that you find intimidating. Carl Jung viewed lions as archetypes representing the self, the unification of consciousness and unconsciousness. In various cultures, lions hold significant spiritual meanings. In Christianity, the lion symbolizes courage and resurrection. In Islamic interpretations, a lion in a dream can represent a powerful enemy or a formidable challenge. Understanding your cultural background can provide deeper insights into your lion dream. Let's examine some common lion dream scenarios. Being chased by a lion. This may indicate that you're avoiding a situation that requires courage. Fighting a lion suggests an internal struggle or confrontation with a powerful force in your life. Taming a lion represents gaining control over your instincts or overcoming fears. A lion attacking you could symbolize feelings of being threatened or overwhelmed by a dominant person or situation. Seeing a calm lion may reflect inner peace and confidence in your abilities. To interpret your lion dream accurately, consider the following. Your emotions in the dream. Were you fearful, calm, or empowered? The lion's behavior. Was it aggressive, passive, or protective? Did you confront, flee, or befriend the lion? Reflecting on these aspects can provide personalized insights into your dream's meaning. Dreams are windows into our subconscious, offering guidance and self-awareness. If you found this interpretation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Raaz Khawab, Dream Meaning in English. Comment below with your lion dream experiences, and stay tuned for more dream interpretations.